What is happening, guys? Gary Yaman here, back at it again with a new video. Hope you're doing well, hope you're safe and happy. Let's begin right away with this guy right here, the Canon EOS M50 Mark II with the kit lens, guys, with the EFM 1545 IS STM kit lens. And as you see here on the outside of the box, it's not very, how you say that? It's not very interesting at all, right? So anyways, let's open up this box together and then we'll see what we got inside. All right, so we got some stuff to read. All right, put that aside. Thanks for choosing Canon, blah, blah, blah. A nice little neck strap. The camera itself right away, cool. Some chargers, thingies. There's always something that I like about these Canon cameras. Always comes with a charger. And here is the battery. Sometimes I'm just afraid that there is no battery at all. And then the kit lens. Where is it? Kit lens, here we go. And that's about it, right? Doesn't have anything else. That's it. Kind of minimalistic. Let's open up the lens first. Oh. Nice little compact lens, a first lens for a lot of people that are beginning with photography or a YouTube channel whatsoever. This should be perfectly fine. Nice plastic. These one has some kind of locking mechanism. Cool. I guess that's cool. I'm not sure what it is. I do not know what it is. All right. Put these things aside. Batteries, guys. This is a small battery, so don't expect too much in regards to the battery life, right? Small battery means a small battery life. But sometimes these small batteries might surprise you. Wow. It looks almost the same as the Mark I. It looks good, right? It looks good. Feels quite okay. Very plasticky. Nice crop sensor. I think if you are a beginner and you have this in your hand, it will feel kind of special. But if you are like me, it feels okay. It feels okay. Ah, that's the little button for. Okay. All right, let's put the battery in it. Card, battery open. All right, so also need a SD card to put it in. I'm not even sure if there's any juice in this battery at all. So let's put it here. Get ourselves a little SD card. Let's go. Bam. Bam. And turn it on. There is juice in it. All right, I hope you can see it right now. Ooh, when you shoot in RAW, then you can apply effects after shooting. Blah, 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 blah. Okay. All right. Looks good. I don't know. I'm now in an auto mode, so let's make a first quick selfie, right? Eye autofocus is working. I see it has eye autofocus. You can see it as well, I think. If I put it like this, you can see the eye autofocus, right? Maybe even this is better. All right? Eye autofocus, guys. And eye autofocus is important because then you will know the shot will be okay. All right, there's not much battery life in it. So let's make a first clip with on the main setup here, and then we can just see how it is, right? So let's go. All right, so I have it now on the main tripod. right? So what do you think? It's now 4K. Eye autofocus seems to be working. My cat is here as well, and the battery is now gone. It says change the battery pack. So, well, I guess that's that. But anyways, guys, thanks again for watching. Subscribe to the channel if not already. Here are some example shots as well with the Canon EOS M50 Mark II. Make sure to subscribe to the channel to see the full video in a couple of weeks. So then I'll be seeing you in the next video. All right, stay safe, stay healthy. See you in the next one. Good luck.
Ik denk dat het dit jaar wel anders is. Ja, dat is een beetje makkelijk dan.
1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3.
Oké, dan. Dan zo lief.
Dat is het, hè?